Hello everyone, my name is Marina and you're on the Russian Language Club channel. Subscribe to the Russian Language Club if you haven't already, not to miss new episodes about Russian language. In this video, you will understand the main differences between two questions where in Russian. Question «где» and question «куда». The question «где» means the location or place of action. What case to use depends on the certain place. When we point to something or someone in a certain place, like behind, under, above, upon, near, not far, and others, we use certain prepositions. And each preposition will be used with its own case. The case can be prepositional, genitive, instrumental, dative. We use certain prepositions. Like preposition под means under. Preposition над means above. За means behind. The prepositions рядом с, около mean near. Preposition в mean inside. Preposition на means upon, on the surface. More usages of the prepositions в and на you can learn here. The question куда means the direction of movement. That is not static action. This is dynamic action because you move to a place or to a person. Usually this happens with the verbs of motion. The verbs like идти, ходить, ехать, ездить and others. But also there are other verbs that show the direction of movement. Like the verbs приглашать, провожать, звонить, опаздывать and others. Let's check on the examples. Где я? Я в комнате. Now I'm in the room. I don't plan to go anywhere. But if I decided to go to a park, I will need to say куда. Я иду в парк. Куда я иду? Я иду в парк. One more. Где мяч? Он в углу. But куда летит мяч? Here the ball is moving from one place to the corner. Куда летит мяч? Мяч летит в угол. One more. Я приглашаю вас в кино. I invite you to the cinema. I stand here. Now I'm located somewhere. I'm here. And I invite you to go to the cinema, to move to this place. That's why I'm saying куда я вас приглашаю. That's why I ask you to go with me. Куда? Приглашаю куда? Приглашаю в кино. So I want to move with you to the cinema. And some important words to show the location. Здесь, тут, там, дома, наверху, внизу, слева, справа, сзади, впереди. And some important words for showing direction. Сюда, туда, домой, наверх, вниз, налево, направо, назад, вперед. By the way, direction can be to some place, куда, or to where, and from some place, откуда, from where from. That is different type of moving, but still it is movement. That's all. In the comments, you can write your questions, suggestions, emotions, feelings, examples. I'm happy to receive your feedback. Subscribe to the Russian Language Club if you haven't, plus find Russian Club on Instagram, Telegram and Facebook. Пока-пока! До скорой встречи!